So, hi, my name is Sam.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we are showing you Chapter 3, Section 4, Question 27, which is about median age and median income for different age groups. And it can be found on page 162.
So, it asks you to find, in letter A, it asks you to use your calculator or graphing utility to find and to draw a scatter diagram of the data, and it gives you some good X and Y points. Like the X-axis, on the X-axis you'll have different ages, and that's the median age, like the average age of people, and on the y-axis you'll have their incomes. So we put them in. If you press stat,
edit, you will notice that we already have our values entered in, but you can just enter in your x values under L1 and your y values under L2. And from there, what you have to do is you have to go to second stat plot, also known as the y equals button, and you have to go to stat plot on. Make sure that is on the on value. Choose the mark you like. Personally, I'm a big fan of the plus sign. From there, you have to press graph. Oh, sorry. Our window that we set for this one is 0, 70, 10, 5,000, 50,000, 5,000, and 1. Then you hit graph, and you'll notice that that is your scatter plot.
you just have to make the window big enough that all of them will show up in it. So that is letter A. Letter B, it says use a calculator to find the quadratic function of best fit. So you can use your calculator.
All right, so you hit stat, and then scroll over to calc, then scroll down to the fifth option, quadrag. You know she'll come from that screen. You press enter again, and look, there are all your quadratic formula functions. So that is question B.
The question C, it says use the function found in part B to determine the age at which an individual can earn the most income.
So the way we went about this one is we went to stat, we scrolled back over to quadrag, we then hit bars, scrolled over the y bars, hit function and chose y1, and from there we hit enter, and after that we hit graph. And you notice that the line now shows up on your graph. And from there what we did is we
found the maximum. If you go to second and then you hit calc, you can find maximum. It's the fourth option. And if you hit left bound, right bound, it'll tell you the maximum, which will give you the answer,
which is your x maximum, which would be your median, or which would be your age is
47.132, basically 47 and a little bit older. And question D, it says use the function found in part B to predict the peak income. But the thing that we just did will also give you the peak income, which is $43,000 and
$43,133.67. And so that is your answer C and D. And look at question E.
Question E is with a calculator, graph the quadratic function of best fit on the scatter diagram, but we already did that. So basically, we got it covered.
Alrighty. So thank you. That is question 27, and it can be found on page 62.